Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this edition of Digital Success Stories. I'm Steve Cross, Creative Director at iSynergy, and today we're going to be talking to Laura Zavadil and Erica Fleming at Barre, Youngstown. They're the area's only all-inclusive boutique fitness studio. We're going to be discussing how Barre partnered with iSynergy to execute a full rebranding. What goes into redesigning a logo? How is that new logo used as the centerpiece of a new website? And how do we let people know they moved into a brand new studio? Stick around for these answers and more.
My name is Laura Zavadil, co-owner at Barre, Youngstown. Barre is a fitness studio. We offer bar fitness, trampoline fitness, megaformers, yoga, Pilates, a mix of lots of different group fitness classes as well as individualized training.
My name is Erica Fleming and I am co-owner at Barre, Youngstown. We offer a whole ton of group fitness exercise classes. Two of the most popular are bar studio classes and our megaformer classes.
Barre has transformed over the years, but we originally started about 7.5 years ago.
We employ just about 20 group fitness instructors who work pretty part-time teaching small group fitness classes.
If I'm not here teaching, we are working on the back end of the business as far as people's packages and putting out newsletters.
Marketing, using social media, answering phone calls, and all sorts of things.
The brand changed a little bit. We had a rebrand just in the past year, and the website needed a whole new fresh look. We needed a whole new logo, and iSynergy helped with all of that.
With rebranding and also moving locations, we had multiple goals for the new website. Educate existing clients on the new location, inform both existing and new prospects on available classes, establish the brand within the community, and provide the ability for people to sign up for the classes.
We knew when we were rebranding, we needed a new logo. We had a pretty clear vision of how we wanted our logo to look and the colors and all the different schemes.
By using bold colors like magenta and black and also movement, we were able to make sure Barre's website and logo matched the energetic and fun atmosphere of the studio.
When we relaunched our brand, we got to unveil this amazing logo that we all worked so hard on. There was a positive feedback from that right away.
They listened to everything that we had to say, everything that we wanted done to the website, and things that we wanted to highlight, things that we wanted to really stand out. They took note and all of it was executed.
iSynergy has made it easy for people in our community to find our studio if they're browsing.
We feel that we can take our business to the next level. We'd love to work with them on the ideas that we have down the pipeline.
We've talked about maybe developing an app and working with iSynergy in that, and also doing some video shoots and commercials to really get our brand out there to the public.